The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for the SPY, and I'm going to go over the micro and macro patterns currently in formation on the daily chart for the SPY. So this is exactly what my members will be seeing on my daily updates. So this is the macro downtrend in play. Let's go and make this green. So you can see that we got numerous touches on the top. And now prices are kind of trading outside of this channel because it's inside of a ranging pattern. And we can go and make that, it looks like the range lows are right around here. And we can go and make this yellow. And then we also have another pattern in play, which is this shallow uptrend. So you can see that if I connect the swings, drag it up, let's go and make this one orange. So we have numerous, patterns at play. You have to look at the entire picture. So in the entire picture shows that we have this huge move down, kind of a wide move down that kind of turned into a sideways trading range with a upward bias. So that's what this picture is showing me on the chart currently. We have a downtrend that turned into a sideways trading range with a slight upward bias to it. Now prices are still trending higher, so I'm expecting prices to attempt to reach this measure move target right at the 437 level. I'll mark that with a horizontal line. So that's what price is trying to reach. You can see this was the first attempt at reaching it, and currently we are in the formation of the second attempt of reaching that longer term measure move target. There is this measure move right here that could stall out at the 425 level. But the bigger one that the price wants to reach is at the 437 level. So we'll have to wait and see if prices want to do that. Either way, it still looks kind of bullish. We are near the upside of the trading range, the top part. So we should be seeing some selling occur, but we're not really seeing that right now. It did take a while for the prices to sell off after it reached this level in the past. So maybe that's the same situation we'll see now. We'll have to just wait and see. But right now, the volatility is very dry right now. It can even get slower as the bigger traders take their vacations and stuff like that. It's known as the summer chop. So it could get slower. But either way, we have this slow grind up. Prices are still attempting to reach that measure move target on the top side. If they fail, then we could probably start seeing aggressive selling occur back to the bottom side of this range, or possibly even lower. So I think that's what's going on the daily chart, in my opinion. I think traders are waiting, to take a short position. That's probably when the volatility will pick up, because you can see that the last time I did my analysis was last Sunday. The market closed at this level right about here at the 412.36, and we're currently trading at the same level pretty much 1 week later. So really nothing occurred. Versus in the past, maybe just a couple months ago, you can see pretty much 1 day was of just 1 day of price action was like, multiple points dropping or rising. So, huge, big candles. Now we're just kind of seeing some really tiny candles occur here. So the volatility is very dry, and, hopefully it'll pick up in the future. But as right now, I think, the volatility normally is dry when it's rising. So there's a good chance that prices will probably continue to rise up. That's everything I see on the daily. Here is the weekly. So the weekly chart, we can look also at the macro and micro picture. We have this uptrend since 2009. I connect the swings, I drag up the channel. This could be the channel right here. I'll go over another possible situation, and that's probably why we're seeing this sideways trading. But this is one scenario that could play out where we hit the top side of the channel and prices are attempting to reach the opposite side in the form of two legs. So that's one leg. All this could be a correction, and the second leg down could take us back down to the breakout in 2020 and reach the opposite side of the channel at the 330s, 320s. So we'll have to wait and see if that occurs. Now, what if that doesn't occur? Then what is also conspiring on the chart is this indecision due to the channel being played out. So So this is the previous uptrend channel that's not extended towards the top. So you can see that prices were nicely being held in this channel right here. We had a double top, or a dual rejection at the top of the channel. Then prices overshot it, which is a climactic point, shot down, broke out on the bottom, which led to a massive reversal, which is right over here. And you can see if I drag it across, that's where all these bounces are coming from, the top side of this channel. So maybe we get another leg this size, which I think we will in the future, but I'm not sure if the correction is over. So that's why the bulls are thinking the correction is over. We're seeing the support being built right here at the top of this channel. So maybe we don't reach the lows back here in October 2022, and we just rocket off from here to reach this measurable target, in the 610s. We'll have to wait and see if that occurs. But as right now, sellers are trying to reach lower prices, but the bulls are trying to reach higher prices. But I think right now, I would still give it to the sellers, because if you look on the monthly, this is the last chart I'm gonna look at. This to me still looks kind of like a exponential move up. So I'm expecting, at least a good drop down. It's not guaranteed to occur, but it looks like it can happen, because you can see that prices are struggling to get above this EMA for several months now, pretty much since May of last year. And right now it looks like it's breaking up, but most breakouts will fail. So maybe we just break out a little bit more, and then we start seeing, the collapse occur. So we'll have to wait and see. But as of now, if prices start taking off, if it gets above, 430s, 440s, then we got to look at something else. And most likely, this is the situation that played out on the chart, that the uptrend got out of hand. It pulled back, it found support on the top of the channel, and now it's rocketing up to make another leg higher. So we'll see if that can occur. Right now I'm playing, or I'm seeing the price as a overextension, which I can drag the channel up, and prices are still retreating to this side of the channel. So that's how I'm looking at it, but we'll see if the other situation pans out. That's all I have for the SPY this week. I'm expecting, low volatility, maybe some sideways trading, maybe some upwards trading. I'm not expecting any crash to occur just yet. I'm still expecting those measure moves to be reached, and then from there we'll have a better idea of what the market actually wants to do. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.